In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the failed to retrieve data, sorry, please try again later error in Hololive Dreams. So let's get straight into the steps. First, check your internet connection. This error can sometimes appear when the game is unable to communicate properly with its online services. If you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data if you're playing on a supported mobile device. Alternatively, if you're using mobile data, try connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network. After switching networks, completely close the game. Make sure it isn't still running in the background. Then, launch the game again and check whether the error has disappeared. Next, disable your VPN. If you're currently using a VPN, turn it off temporarily. VPNs can sometimes change your network route or interfere with connections to online services. After disabling the VPN, restart the game and try again. Now, restart your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, turn your router off, wait for around 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. Wait until your connection is fully restored before launching the game again. Another thing to check is whether the game needs an update. Open your platform's official store or game launcher and look for Hollow Knight Silksong. If an update is available, install it and then restart the game. You should also check whether your device has any available system updates. If the problem continues, try restarting your device completely. A simple restart can clear temporary network or application problems. Finally, remember that the issue may not always be caused by your device. If the game's online services are experiencing an outage or temporary server problem, you may simply need to wait until the service is restored. So, if changing networks, disabling your VPN, restarting your connection, and updating the game don't work, wait a little while and try again later. And that's it. Those are the steps you can try to fix the failed to retrieve data error in Hollow Knight Silksong. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming troubleshooting guides. See you in the next video.